Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Rajnikant and today's video we're gonna see how to reverse a string, right? So this is especially for freshers who are going to attend different interviews. They will get this kind of logical questions like how to reverse a string, right? So in string we do not have any utility method to reverse that one, even though if you could present, they will ask without using any utility method, write a program to reverse a string, right? So in this program we'll see how we'll do reversal of a string. Okay, so this is my IntelliJ idea already I have opened. So let me create a class for that one, string reversal. Okay, so let me take a main method where we'll place the testing logic. Okay, so it's always refer the take a individual method where you will put your uh, logics. Okay, so public void, let me take as a static void reverse string. Okay, so here we'll have a string input. Okay, so let's first write this logic. So this is a string. For example, let's have as a string input equal to abc. Okay, so how will reverse? So whenever you are approaching any problem, first note it down its algorithm, how we want to accomplish that one. This is the for most first thing. Write that pseudocode, you can say pseudocode, or that logic, or you can say the steps or flow in a piece of paper or any notepad, right? So here if you'll see what how we'll achieve the string reversal. So this is that abc is the string, so we need to have this c at first, then b at second, and a at last. Okay, so for that one, first we need to convert this string to array. Okay, so convert this to char array. Okay, if you will convert this to character array, we can read it from the last. Okay, then what we need to do, first we'll convert that one, then iterate from last. Okay, let's follow the same way. So char array char chars equal to input dot to char array. Just see, so we are converting into character array. Then what we need to do, we need to iterate from last, right? So how I will do, so here for last index, how we'll get this last index? So int I equal to this array length, right? So chars dot length. Okay, so we should take length minus 1, as we'll take the index from 0. I is greater than equal to 0, and here I minus minus. I will explain. This is the main logic. So here what we are doing, int I equal to this character array dot length. So here the length will come to as a 3, but we are starting this index as a 0, right? 0, then 1, then 2. A is present at 0, B is present at 1, C is present at 2. So at max we need to iterate from 2, right? But here this char dot length will it will give us a 3, right? So here we are taking char dot length minus 1, right? Hope you got it. And here we are providing 0, so we'll iterate up to 0. Okay, so here what we need to do, we need to take these characters. So first here it will come to C, then we need to form that new string. Okay, so for that one, what we need to do, let's take a string builder. String builder output equal to new string builder. Okay, so the string builder will take, so that we can append here, so that we can append dot append of that particular index. So here character is that array, if you'll see this is that array, and here what is the index first we will get, I is equal to 2, right? If you want, I will show you by debugging as well how it will do. So okay, so here like in we are taking that character, right? Taking the character from the character array. In the first index it will come as a 2, so chars of 2 is C, 0 1 2. So first char of 2 is C, right? So we are appending to this string builder. First C will append, then B will append, then A will append. So in the output what will get, C B A will get. Okay, so this is the thing. Now at finally what we'll do, there we can print that one here, system dot out dot print ln. We can print or we can return from this string as well, anything is fine. So let me print this output dot to string. Okay, I am done. So here string abc is I have taken as a reference, so no need this one. Now we need to call this reverse string method. So let's call this method by passing anything. What will take, Java Shastra. Okay, now let's run this one. Okay, so it's running. Let's see. Just see, it's coming as A, then R. First A it will come, then R it will come, then T, then S, then A H S, then A V J, right? So it's coming as perfectly. Okay, so if you want, I can show you like in debugging. Let me take ABC for debugging purpose, so that we'll do in a less time. Okay, so I have put a debug point here. You can do a debugging like this. Put a debug point here and right click here, run in debug as debug string reversal. Okay, so it will hit this debug point here and we'll get the thing. Okay, so let's have here. Okay, the C input as ABC. Then let's move to, this is not this one. Okay, output is currently empty string. If you'll see, output is empty string. Then if you'll see, this is that array chars. So here if you'll see, chars is there, right? If you'll expand 0 1 2, so in 0 A is there, 1 B and 2 C is there. Just see, we need to take 2 as an index first while taking as a C. That's why I am taking chars dot length minus 1, array, that array length minus 1 I am taking, so that here we'll take I is equal to 2. So int I is equal to 2. then I is greater than equal to 0. Up to I is greater than equal to 0, iterate. Okay, so let's go move inside. So just see here, I is equal to 2, right? I is equal to 2. So then is 2 is greater than equal to 0, true. Then it will go to inside and it will append in that output. Currently if you'll see, output is empty string. So once we have go to this inside, it will append that C to this output. Where is this output? In this output. Okay, so for I equal to 2, it will execute function f8. Just see, in output currently it's C. Okay, then I will reduce to 1, I minus minus. Currently I is equal to 1. So is 1 is greater than equal to 0, true. Then the control will count to inside. Then again it will append that index 1, character of 1. What is there in character of 1? It's B. So it's appended B. If you'll see here in output CB. Then again function f8. If you'll see, output is CBA. Okay, so now I is equal to 0. So I is greater than equal to 0. Okay, is I is greater than equal to 0, it's false. Then it's coming outside. Okay, so like this we can debug also. Let me do F9, function F9, and in console we have got this value, right? So thank you for watching. If you have any comments, you can have your comments in the comment section, and I will give this code in my GitHub repo, and you can access that one as well, right? So thank you for watching, guys. Have a nice day.